Hello friends, welcome back. Today we would be learning how to generate Google Sheet formulas using just plain English text. Obviously, we'd be taking the help of AI, but it would be different. We won't be asking any kind of a chatbot to provide the formula and we take the formula from there and paste it into a Google Sheet. No, we would be performing all the operation on the Google Sheet itself. So without wasting any time, first let's see a demo. So this is my Google Sheet with some random data. And now I would be generating some formulas using just plain text on this Google Sheet. So let's get started. So in this Google Sheet, we have this column D, which has the departments. Now there are various departments over here. And now if you intend to see what are the different departments in this sheet. So generally you will try to put some kind of a Google formula. But if you do not know the formula, what you can do with this Google Sheet is you could just provide it in plain English. So here I'm just putting in plain English. I have departments in column D. Can you provide me distinct departments? And I hit enter. And now you can see within few seconds, the AI which has been working behind this sheet has operated and it has provided me the names of the distinct departments. Here you saw I did not inserted any kind of formula. I just provided a prompt in simple English and it worked and it provided me the distinct departments which are there in this Google Sheet. So the prompt which I had provided, it indirectly converted into an Google Sheet formula. So if I take my mouse cursor over here and if I see at the top, this is the formula which it generated, and this is the result of that formula. So hope that was interesting. Now let's experiment further. Now consider if I need to know the total number of employees belonging to operations department. This could be a complex Google Sheet formula, but we try to achieve the same using our English language prompt. So I will provide a prompt in cell N2 like this. Column D has all departments. Column A has employee IDs. Write a formula to fetch the count of employees for the department mentioned in M2. Now, one thing to consider when we are providing these prompts, the prompt should be clear. It should provide all the details which it requires. Like we need the count of employees in the operations department. So I'm telling that column D has all the departments. And for considering the distinct employees, it should consider column A, which has the employee ID. And now I'm asking it to write a formula to fetch the count of employees for the department mentioned in M2. So my prompt should be clear for the AI to work efficiently. Let's see if this works well. After completing the prompt, I just hit enter and I'm waiting. And now you see internally the formula has been generated with the help of AI and it has given me the count of 7. If I take my mouse cursor over here and if I look in the formula bar, you could see it is giving me the formula count if DD, which is the column D, which has the departments, and the value is taking from M2, which is operations department. So there are 7 employees in this sheet which belong to the operation department. So since I have this formula ready, I could now just drag it like this and I will have the employees in each of these departments. So if I see here, it shows me the sum of 50. And if I show you the total number of rows in this sheet, it is ending at 51 because the first row is the header. So it has 50 employees and this formula, which was generated using AI by using plain text, it has worked efficiently and it has correctly given me the total number of employees in each of those departments. Let's experiment further. In column I have the salary details. Let's try to find the maximum salary. So for that, I will write another prompt. So I'll need to provide accurate details like where my salary details are. So I will say column I has salary. Write a formula to fetch the highest salary. I hit enter, and now it has worked and it has returned me something 118075. And if I come over here in the formula bar, you could see it has generated this max formula over here, so which will in turn return the max salary, which is coming from column I. So again, the prompt worked absolutely fine. I just provided the prompt in simple English language, which it internally translated into a Google Sheet formula, and we got our results. So with the help of this, we no longer need to remember Google Sheet formulas. We could just use these kind of prompts directly in the cell. As I told you earlier in the introduction, we won't be like copying and pasting. We'll be directly providing the prompts in the cell, and it is generating the formulas and doing the job for us. Let's experiment further. Now, if you need to know the employee with the highest salary, so maybe in cell R, let me provide another prompt like this. So this time I provided a prompt like column I has all salaries and column K has the employee names. Write the formula to fetch the employee with the highest salary. Plain English text prompt, hit enter, and let's see. So it has returned me this name of Troy Patron. If I take my mouse over here and see, this is the formula. This is quite a complex formula which it generated. And if I come to column K and search for Troy Patron, which is here at row number 11, and if you see the salary, this is the maximum salary which it had generated in the previous step. So all these formulas are working fine. All the formulas are getting generated with the help of simple English text. Moving further, let's try to generate a complicated formula. Now I have another sheet called performer data. Now assume like this is a sheet where we have the list of all top performers, and these are the employee IDs of the top performers. Now I need the names of this employee in column B. So I will have to write a complex formula. An employee name, you know, it is coming from the employee data column K. So if I need the employee names who are top performers based on these employee ID, I could provide a prompt like this. So I will provide a prompt like this. So I'm telling it, refer the employee data sheet and fetch me the name of the employee. And in the brackets, I'm mentioning column K because column K has the names of the employees. And I'm telling it, fetch me the name of the employee with the employee ID mentioned in A2 because A2 has the employee ID whose employee name we need to fetch. So now I hit enter, wait for a few seconds, and let's see what happens. Okay, it has fetched me a name. So employee EMP003, it has fetched me the name as Greg Rodriguez. If I come over here, go to employee 003, and this is the name, Gregory Rodriguez. So it has successfully worked and it has generated this formula. This is a VLOOKUP formula. You could see on the top, it has worked based on the instructions which we had provided. And since we have this formula generated, we could just drag it. And now I have the list of all the top performers. So all these formulas which you saw just got generated with the help of plain text. The only thing you need to take care is you should provide the prompts, you should provide proper details. For example, we had provided the proper sheet name, the proper columns from where it should reference. If we provide the prompts in an appropriate manner, it would work brilliantly and it would give you all the results. You will not need to remember any formulas. It will do the job for you. I hope you found this presentation useful. In the meanwhile, I would be creating another video where I would be sharing all the steps how you could configure all these things in your Google Sheet. Also, I request you to please subscribe to my channel so that you'll be updated with the latest videos I would be uploading. Guys, I'll see you soon. Thanks for joining. Bye.